Hello students, welcome to SRBPS online classes. I am your educator Ms. Deepthi. Today we are going to study about vitamins. There are 13 vitamins to be present in the plant and animal sources. Vitamins play an important role in growth and development of human body. Vitamins help us to develop immunity against many disorders. Now, vitamins are broadly categorized into two types. First one, fat soluble vitamins, and the second one, water soluble vitamins. Fat soluble vitamins like vitamin A, vitamin D, vitamin E, vitamin K, and water soluble vitamins like vitamin C and vitamin B complex. So let's study fat soluble vitamins. So vitamin A, vitamin D, vitamin E and K are fat soluble vitamins. They are stored in fat tissues of organs like liver, kidney and muscles. These vitamins are used whenever the body needs them. Otherwise they are stored in the tissues. Now about water soluble vitamins, vitamin B complex and vitamin C are water soluble vitamins. Vitamin B complex includes vitamin B1, B2, B6, B12. Okay. Now these vitamins cannot be prepared or stored in our body. Now if we compare with water soluble vitamins and fat soluble vitamins, we can see fat soluble vitamins were stored in the body, but these are water soluble and that is why they cannot be prepared or stored in our body. We get these from the different types of nutritious food items we eat. Okay. Now we will be studying about each vitamin one by one. You can see vitamin A. Now the sources spinach, carrot, milk, butter, eggs and yellow fruits like mango, papaya are the sources of vitamin A. Now let's move on to the benefits. You can see the functions or you can say benefits. It is necessary for good eyesight and healthy skin. Now next vitamin B. The sources are carrots, apricots, peaches, broccoli, fish, melon, mangoes, avocado, pepper and so on. Now the benefits or advantages: increase in energy, enhance mood, improve memory, boost skin and hair health, stimulate the immune system and helps in formation of red blood cells. Now next vitamin C. So sources are orange, lemon, amla, tomato, green vegetables. Basically vitamin C includes citrus fruits. Fine. Now the functions needed for proper functioning of blood vessels, for keeping gums healthy and for healing of wounds. Now vitamin D, the sources are sunlight, milk, eggs, fish, cod liver oil. Now you can see that is why we say that you should stand in sunlight for some time, because this vitamin gets synthesized itself in our body. Now the functions of vitamin D: it is required for healthy bones and teeth. Now vitamin E. You can see the natural sources of vitamin E like pomegranate seeds, sunflower seeds, avocado, nuts, kiwi, olives, mango, spinach and broccoli. Now moving on to the health benefits of vitamin E. It helps prevent heart disease, healthy skin and hair, protection against cancer, anti-aging properties, and the last one strengthens the immune system. Now moving on to last vitamin K. Now the sources of vitamin K are spinach, asparagus, broccoli, beans, soya beans, eggs. Now, the benefits of vitamin K, it helps in preventing osteoporosis, reduces excessive menstrual flow, reduces menstrual pain, reduces the clotting of blood, prevents internal bleeding, relieves nausea during pregnancy, prevents biliary obstruction, regulates the blood sugar and protects the immune system. And lastly, it prevents hemorrhage in babies. So this vitamin is also very important. So I can say all the vitamins are very important, and that is why they are called as protective foods. So I am ending my video by this. Thank you for watching my video.